Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device supports Esim and is unlocked. This matters because a locked phone can block provisioning. Once done, back up contacts and essential settings and make sure you have reliable Wi-Fi or working data. Next, locate the activation QR, SMDP Plus address, or carrier app credentials. You will need one of these to reinstall the profile. Start in Settings and navigate to the Cellular section. This is where you will add or remove an Esim profile. So keep your activation. You should remove the faulty Esim profile first. Go to Settings, then Cellular, select the profile and choose Remove. This clears corrupted provisioning. Do it now. Once removed, restart the device to flush caches and reset radio modules. This reduces retry failures. Next, add the Esim using the carrier QR code, enter the SMDP Plus address, or open the carrier app and follow the guided activation. Watch for confirmation messages. If prompted, choose which line to use as primary for calls and data. Once you add the Esim, watch for carrier confirmation and check signal bars. Then make a test call and browse to verify data. This proves full activation. If things fail, toggle airplane mode, wait 10 seconds and retry the activation sequence. Often radios need a reset. If persistent, update the device OS and carrier settings, and then call your carrier with the device IMEI and Esim details so they can push provisioning. Remember, patience and clear info speed up carrier-side activation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.